Hello everyone, I am Chun Junhong. Today let's talk about a fascinating topic, a protocol that is quietly sparking a revolution on the Bitcoin blockchain. It is called BGP. Its goal is ambitious, to build a brand new economic system, running entirely on-chain, for the art and commodities around us. Eternal preservation is the first principle for artists. This phrase strikes a chord deep within every creator's heart, doesn't it? Whether you are a painter, musician, or writer, your biggest fear is that your life's work will vanish with time and be forgotten. This hunger for immortality drives us to find a digital solution that can truly preserve value forever. Today we will follow this roadmap. 1. We'll start with the ancient dilemma facing art itself. 2. We'll look at how the Ordinals protocol emerged as a breakthrough. 3. Then we'll dive deep into the kernel of BGP, its philosophy and core technical mechanisms. 4. We'll analyze a classic real-world case study. 5. Finally, we'll envision the new paradigm it opens up for us. Have you ever had this feeling? You walk into a massive art museum. Under the spotlight are the masterpieces of famous names. But in an unnoticed corner hangs a painting by an artist who has passed away. Hardly anyone looks at it. It's only there because a loyal friend kept caring for it. This small scene reveals a cruel reality. Physical art fades, paper yellows, sculptures weather, centralized digital platforms? They can shut down overnight. Impermanence is a sword hanging over the head of art. But in 2023, Casey Rodarmer proposed the Ordinals theory, changing the rules of the game completely. He found a way to truly carve data onto the Bitcoin blockchain, creating a digital artifact you can truly own. How does it work? It's brilliant. We know the smallest unit of Bitcoin is a Satoshi sat, right? Ordinals indexes and numbers every single unique Satoshi like giving an ID card to every grain of sand on Earth. Then, it writes your art file into the segregated witness space of a Bitcoin transaction. This is called inscribing. Your asset is now welded to this unique Satoshi, achieving true permanent on-chain storage. Sounds perfect, right? But early revolutionary tech always has flaws. Ordinals is no exception. 1. Block size and cost. Bitcoin blocks are small, and gas fees are expensive. Artists are forced to compress work into pixelated low-res images. The beauty is compromised. 2. Copyright chaos. I own the inscription, but do I own the commercial rights? Can I make derivatives? It's a mess. Just like the old NFT days. These problems were like digital shackles locking up Ordinals' potential. And this set the stage for our protagonist, BGP. The Bitcoin Goods Trading Protocol BGP was born not just to fix bugs, but as a philosophical upgrade. Its mission has 3 points. 1. To pay homage to Satoshi Nakamoto, and deepen the vision of a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. 2. To unlock Bitcoin from cold wallets and let it function in the real commercial world. 3. Core point. To transform Bitcoin from just digital gold store of value into a digital means of production, using cryptography to permanently protect creators and beneficiaries. Now, let's get hardcore. Let's pop the hood of BGP developers. Pay attention. Step 1. How to create a collection. Your first move is always deploy. Imagine opening a flagship store on the busy digital street of Bitcoin. You need a business license. The deploy event does exactly that, establishing a unique identity for your collection. Look at the JSON code. The devil is in the details. 3 fields are mandatory. P. Must serve version compatibility. OP. Must be deploy, telling the network I am creating something. TICK. Your collection's unique stock symbol. These 3 fields form a holy trinity ID, branding your contract onto the Bitcoin ocean forever. License obtained. Now let's stock the shelves. This is the import operation. It takes an existing standard Ordinals inscription and stamps it with the BGP official seal. But it does more than link them. It customizes the rules. Look at this table. This is where BGP becomes revolutionary. It turns vague gentlemen's agreements into enforceable on-chain law. SID and SID, the ID card and household registry, binding the asset to the collection. C-fee and H-fee, solving the royalty problem once and for all. Creator and holder splits are written in black and white on the blockchain. DA, turning complex copyright terms into verifiable data. A good protocol evolves. BGP version 1.1 solved the storage headache beautifully. The solution has 4 clear steps. 1. Upload your high-res, 100 megabytes original file to Arweave. 2. Arweave returns a permanent transaction ID. 3. Write this TXID into the BGP metadata in a field called path. 4. Inscribe this lightweight BGP metadata onto Bitcoin. Done. This separates the deed from the file. You get professional high-res art permanently linked to Bitcoin without bloating the main chain. The best of both worlds. Let's see a real-world example. Blessed Tiger, the first project built entirely on BGP. At first glance it looks pixelated. You might think the quality is low, but you'd be missing the point. It's deliberate performance art. It uses this low pixel look to criticize the storage limits of standard ordinals and call for better protocols like BGP. Its technical structure is even more unique, a trident structure called 2 yin, 1 yang. This means on a single Satoshi, in one transaction, it inscribed 1 regular yang inscription and 2 special yin inscriptions. They are consecutively numbered and locked together forever. Because ordinals later fixed the rules for recognizing cursed inscriptions, this specific structure can likely never be replicated. Blessed Tiger is a true historical orphan, a digital artifact witnessing history. So what new world does BGP open up? Look at this chart. It's not a zero-sum game. It's a positive-sum ecosystem. Creators get long-term royalties, collectors get clear rights. The Bitcoin network gets expanded utility. And here's the key takeaway. BGP is not just for digital pictures. Remember the FOG field? It can define an item as physical. This means BGP can manage the lifecycle of a limited edition wine or designer clothing from creation to trade. It builds a solid bridge between the digital economy and the physical economy. BGP rejects short-term speculation. It focuses on establishing sustainable production rules on the most secure blockchain, Bitcoin. Let's return to our philosophical question. Can these codes and protocols truly become the fortress of eternity we seek for art? I believe the answer is now in our hands. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I am Chun Jun Hong. See you next time.